Well, helicopter Ela actually comes from the word or the hashtag helicopter moms, which is basically what an Indian mother has been from time immemorial, overpossessive, OCD, where her children are concerned, stalkerish almost, हर वक्त फ़ोन करना कि कहाँ पे है, क्या कर रहा है, डब्बा बनाओ, ये करो, वो करो. तो इसमें बहुत प्यार ज़रूर है, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं एक बच्चों का जो होता है ये this is more of the kids start feeling a little claustrophobic after a point because of that. And I don't think that Indian mothers are going to change very much. But yes, Ela is just that little bit more than a normal mother would be. So I think she's very relatable. वो जो सोचती है, जो करती है, you relate to her. जब बोलती है डब्बा वापस लाना, you understand where she's coming from when she says that. And जब थप्पड़ भी मारती है तब भी also you understand where she's coming from.
But you forgive her at the end of the day because all what she means is love. That's all what she means.
That's where she comes from.
That's what
she comes from. All her motives are basically that oh, I love my son. How can I not slap him if he's going? अगर गलत कर रहा है तो कुछ तो थप्पड़ तो पड़ना ही है ना. So yes, so that's
गलत
her.
नहीं भी करना है तो थप्पड़ पड़ता है. So that's a different thing.
Honestly, it had nothing to do with single mother or not single mother. I loved the concept of the story. I loved the fact that it spoke about a relationship between a single mother and a son. I always feel that the relationship between a single parent and a child is always just that little bit deeper, a little bit more intense, a little bit more, they're a little more of a unit than other families, not because of anything else, but because they know for a fact that कि और कोई है ही नहीं, बस हम ही हैं. It's me for my mom and mom for me. It's as simple as that. And there's nobody else to call up at 3 o'clock in the morning, and say that fix my light, or the sink is clogged, or plumber को बुलाना है, या जो भी है. So I think when they're kids also, when children of single parents tend to grow up a little faster, have a little more responsibility in them, and that's one of the reasons why there is that little extra bond also.
We don't both of us have scenes with Mr. Bachchan, but working with her, of course, it's like a dream come true. Because when you hear like that Kajol will be playing your mother, it's a film directed by Pradeep Sarkar, so that's something which is a dream for any actor to be a part of such an amazing project. So it's a brilliant bonding which we had. I think that's why it reflects in the chemistry between Ela and Vivan, that she can make you so comfortable, and when you see her you initially get very intimidated, but when you just look through and you find out that she's a beautiful human being, amazing human being, they're not scared at all. She's like the best person to have around always.
I'll have to work harder.
But genuinely, she's an amazing person. I think that comfort zone started developing, and that took all the fear away, and that's why the bond which is reflecting on the screen, it's naturally it came during the shoot.
I am definitely possessive about my kids, overprotective about my kids, and completely mad about them. I don't think I was mad about them before I did Helicopter Ela also. So yes, I am. I would say again that I am a normal mom. Ela is just that little bit more. So जो आप देख रहे हैं वैसी मैं बिल्कुल नहीं हूँ real life में. बिल्कुल नहीं. बच्चों को पूछ लो चलिए तो. I think it is giving a message on women. I think it's giving a message on relationships. I think it's giving a lot of messages, hopefully, but with a huge dollop of humor, not told in a very preachy way, or not told in a way that is, shoved down your throat or anything like that. And I think it's a story. It's a very interesting story. Yes, there are lots of tags inside there, things that are very, very big today. Women's empowerment, single mothers, single, parent and mother bond relationship, teenagers for that matter, teenage angst. So there are a lot of things that are very, very topicable today and applicable today. But I think most of the things are talked about. I hope that when people watch this film and go to watch this film, they'll come out and they'll be able to look at their parents, or parents look at their children in just a slightly different way. just a slightly different. Maybe their perspective won't change completely and they'll still think अरे मैं तो सही था लेकिन at least समझ में आएगा कि उन्होंने क्यों किया जो किया. We're both very, very friendly with our kids, but at the same time, we are parents. So we draw that line that, you know, I'm your mother, I'm your father, and we're not going to change that. But yes, we are friends. We keep the channel open. I think it's very important to keep talking to your children about everything. Things that they want to talk about also. It's not only what you want to talk about. कि आपको बात करना है कि you know आपको बात करना है कि मामा के चाचा की रिश्ते की शादी या you know you want to talk about you know खाना क्या खाया या जो भी है. It has to be. Sometimes there are conversations about you know Snapchat, or sometimes there are conversations about what's your favorite YouTube video. You know, so it's stuff that they are interested in as well. I think that's important to keep in mind.